I think you are searching about Swiss Army knife, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following think, are you looking for? Need good quality Swiss Army knife? Need free shipping Swiss Army knife? Looking for excellent product, graded Swiss Army knife tools? Looking for anti-rust and exquisite Swiss Army knife tools? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best Swiss Army knife tools. Number 1. Tuosen Swiss Army knife tools, and the feature is blade material, stainless steel. Handle material, plastic. Product grade, excellent. Length, 91 mm. Weight, about 200 grams. Let's go for number 2. DIHAKI Swiss Army knife tools, and the feature is blade material, stainless steel. Handle material, aluminium alloy. Feature, durable and anti-rust, classic and exquisite, folding and lightweight. Use, travel, camping, hiking, climbing and other outdoor sports. Size, 10.8 cm into 3.8 cm into 2 cm. Let's go for number 3. ZQXYSJ Swiss Army knife tools, and the feature is blade material, stainless steel. Handle material, plastic. Blade, length, 60 mm, width, 6 mm, thickness, 5 mm. Function, outdoor survival, camping, traveling, climbing, home use. Weight, 203 grams.